painting?
The painted oven!
What sorts of things do you like to paint?
Nothing!
CBeebies bugs help to look after everything that goes on in CBeebies land. I wonder what they'll get up to next. It looks like this is where the